Guys, today I'm going to show you how you can remove the notification software from Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus. So if you see something like that in your notification bar, or you have spamming pop-ups when you're trying to visit any site, that means you have a notification software. And you can try to remove it by two ways: System Settings and Antivirus app. Now I'm gonna show you the first method. Open the settings, then look for the apps, and now check all the apps on this list. You can choose the sort by and choose the last used or last updated. Now check all these apps on this list, and if you see something strange, the app that you have not installed by itself, the app that you don't recognize name, just tap on it and select uninstall. After that, click on OK, and now go back to the app list. Now look for your web browser. In my case it's Chrome. Go to the storage and choose Manage Storage. Tap on the Clear Data and choose OK. After that, your web browser should be free from notification software. But you can also try to download antivirus app, so go to the Play Store and look for the best antivirus app for you. I'm always using Avast, so we can launch it now. And sorry about the rotation, but in this application tap on the Continue with Ads and choose the green circle. Tap on the OK. Now add a permission to the Avast, to the files, and go back. Then whole process starting automatically, and after that your tablet should be free from any unwanted software that you have on your storage. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.